If I sat on the couch all day and didn't do anything, like I would be cranky.
Can't handle it.
Yeah, I'd be cranky. I'd be eating bad foods. All right, before we get, I should clean that lens. Before I send you to today's video, I want to do a quick little announcement. We just launched 50% off Build-A-Butt 2.0. That's Jessica's follow-along home workout program, no equipment, as well as my LiveLean15 follow-along home workout video program for 50% off to our newsletter subscribers. But I know a lot of you on YouTube are not on our newsletter. Naughty, naughty. So I want to hook you up with the same discount on those two programs. Here's the coupon code right here. Link down below. Build-A-Butt 2.0, LiveLean15, follow-along home workout programs, no equipment needed. Let's get you back on the Live Lean train. Links down below. Question is, what's a day off for you and Jess? Like, what's it look like?
Oh, good question, because we had a video about this. It's perfect. So if you guys go to LiveLeanTV on YouTube and you search for Active Rest Day, is that what it's called? Yeah. So we made a video about this. It was great. We typically will go to the beach, rollerblade, bike, basketball. We used to play volleyball quite a bit at the beach. We'll swim in the pool. That's one thing we didn't show in that video. We'll run around with our dog, you know, play catch and
yoga sometimes. We'll do stretching.
Hill running or yoga.
Yeah, so I mean, we are still staying active because that's just in our blood. If I sat on the couch all day and didn't do anything, like I would be cranky.
Can't handle it.
Yeah, I'd be cranky. I'd be eating bad foods and
yeah, the more you live a sedentary life, the more you actually have those naughty cravings. So sometimes people ask us what's a good way to get over cravings? One perfect way is to get more active. Like be more busy, do more things. I like days where I don't do anything and the days where I eat bad, and that's the worst combination because you're not as active, so you don't need those calories. Yeah, and when you are active, you actually prefer healthy foods for some reason, you know? Have you ever noticed that? I do, yeah. After a hard workout, you want to come home and you want to rejuvenate yourself with healthy nutrients. Yeah, somehow exercise and activity just kind of makes your brain work differently. And so we'll link up that video down below. You guys should check it out. We had a videographer help us with that. It was a really pretty sick video. I know, I have to admit that video was cool. It was awesome, wide angle shots, up There's in a drone in it. Yeah, it's really great. So hopefully that does inspire you guys on what you should do on your active rest day, because a big part of living lean is having fun. Right. And you get so strong in the gym, but then what are you going to do? Just nothing with that strength? Yeah. And so if you're training yourself to feel good, look good, all of that, you might as well enjoy it. Yeah. Today's question of the day: what's your favorite activity to do on your rest days? Comment down below. So if you want to see our full active recovery day video that we talked about in this episode, go click right over here and you can watch the full thing. It's an awesome video. Enjoy.